probably more familiar with the traditional bearded irises, but there are actually more than 200 species of irises that can grow in our zone. And by planting several different types, gardeners can enjoy blooms from now until July and even again in the fall. Linda Nave from Ryman Gardens is with me. And Linda, tell us more about the various types of irises.
Well, as you mentioned, there is the bearded iris, and that has that neat little tuft on the fall petal on its bloom. So that's how you identify the bearded iris. But here in our zone, we can also grow Siberian iris, which blooms typically a week later than the bearded iris and forms more of a clump and more of an upright growth. We can also grow Japanese iris and the yellow flag iris that grows in the wet areas, and that blooms beautifully for about a month in late spring. Irises are probably one of the flowers that have the greatest palette of color. We have whites, yellows, blues, pinks, and even to black in the dark purple zone. So irises come in so many different colors and almost bicolors as well.
And then some can rebloom in the fall?
Yes, we do have a reblooming iris, and those are becoming very popular, like this white immortality iris that'll bloom this time of year and bloom again in late August. So immortality gives you more bang for your buck.
That sounds great. Now, any special growing tips for irises?
Well, irises do require a full sun location and well-drained soil, and those are the two primary requirements. Let them grow and do their thing all summer and this spring, and then next fall, if your clump has been there, your bearded iris, for about 4 or 5 years, divide it by digging the entire clump, removing the old rhizome or that fleshy part, and so that you have 1 fan or 2 fans of growth left, and then replant them about a foot apart.
Okay, great. So enjoy their irises now, and then divide in the fall. And if you would like more growing tips for irises, be sure to log on to these websites. For Gardening in the Zone, I'm Liz Gelman.